Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc channel. In previous tutorials, we've already learned many interesting text effects. And today, I'm going to show you how to create a text effects shown in a sample clip. The method used is very simple. Just follow the video step by step, and you will be able to do it. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, let's open VideoProc. If you haven't downloaded it yet, use the link in the description box down below to free download the software. Today we are going to create two text effects. OLE is a piece of footage like this with white noise, and then we can start. Click here to create a new text. Enter a text letter for the first scene, then choose an appropriate font. Adjust the font size, remove the shadow, and tweak the scaling and position of the text. After that, click here to save a screenshot. Next, click here and change your background color to white. And then change the text to black. Modify the text content and font. And save another screenshot. Now delete the text content and click here to save a white screenshot. Import the screenshots into VideoProc and place them on the main track. Then click on Effects. Find Rainbow 2 and place it on the effect track. After that, click here to save a gradient colored screenshot. Now that the materials are ready, first, place the text material on the overlay track. In Inspector, choose the Align by Height. Scroll down to find Blur Mode, select the Lighten, and then click on Motion. Add a keyframe at the starting point and reset the display area. Add another keyframe at 1 to 2 second mark. And click here to change the speed to speed on 1. Then go back to first keyframe and move the display area upward until the text is out of the view. Let's play it back to see. Now the rising text effect is done. Next, click here to move the text upward slightly. Or find the Y coordinate and input 0.620. Copy the material. Move the start position slightly backward and change the Y coordinate to 0.5. Click on Motion and move the second keyframe forward a little bit. Great, the second text effect is ready. Now let's continue copying. Just like before, move the start position backward slightly. Reduce the Y coordinate by 0.120, which is we enter this number. And move the second keyframe in motion slightly forward. Creating 4 of these materials should be enough. Now we click here to create a few overlay tracks. Place the background material on the bottom overlay track. And in Inspector, choose the Align by Height. Scroll down to find Blur Mode and select the Lighten. If you want the background to be a bit darker, you can slightly increase the contrast in color. And finally, click here to lock the track to avoid interference with later operations. Alright, the first text effect is complete. Now let's move on to the second text effect. Place the gradient material on the overlay track. Click Crop and select 1 to 1. Then click here to adjust the scaling. To align it easily, we can click here to create a guideline and place it in the center. Next, click Motion. Select this preset and select the second keyframe. Then change the speed to speed on 1. After that, we copy it twice and place them on the left and right sides. Once finished, we place the prepared text material on the lower overlay track. Change the blur mode to multiply and adjust the size and position accordingly. Then copy this text material twice and move them to the blocks on the sides. We click here to hide the guidelines. Let's play it back. Looks great. Finally, just sync the materials with your music. And you're done. Isn't that super simple? Alright, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in your next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!